Well, everywhere is war.
Good morning, Camille.
Good morning. How are you?
Good days.
Oh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, have your seat. All right. Do we have any preliminary matters at this time? Okay, sure. All right, your next witness.
We call James Franco.
Okay, I think I know what you're gonna ask.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm to testify truthfully in this case in a penalty of law?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My question is more nuanced. They did not see injuries on your face on May 21, 2016. Isn't that what their testimony was?
I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to pause.
Mr. Depp, quote, whacked you in the face.
Did not seem like the right time to say anything.
Big, chunky rings.
Um,
You were sitting here when Officer William Gatlin testified by deposition about being called on May 21 to the Eastern Columbia building.
I just thought,
No, I think we all saw on video camera you identify yourself. Isn't that correct?
thing I did, I'll admit, I did sleep with,
Dog stepped on a bee.
you know, when something like this happens, like the natural human instinct is to just make it stop.
And you went to the bathroom after that, right?
There were people that were upset with me, and
And then, when you came out of the bathroom,
what that doesn't do is allow you to do the work to,
Mr. Depp's security guard pointed out that your nose was bleeding, right?
there's probably an iceberg underneath.
And you said you hadn't known that your nose was bleeding until Jerry Judge pointed it out to you?
I'm just so lucky. So yes, she got a little bit of the fun stuff, and it worked. And then we had, you know, she had 6 months of fun stuff, and it was like the Disaster Artist was coming out, and it was all really exciting. And didn't date anyone for about 7 months, and I did a lot of work and just. I really had to just learn how to be okay with myself. It was the fact of it that there were some complaints about me and an article about me and of behavior, of patterning, of just being blind to yourself that isn't going to just be solved overnight. So I've just been doing a lot of work, and I guess I'm pretty confident saying like it's 4 years, you know, and I was in recovery before, you know, for substance abuse. And there were some issues that I had to deal with that were also related to addiction. And so I've really used my recovery background to kind of start examining this and changing who I was. Just make it stop. You just want to get out in front of it and then she got this whole other side.
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
It was a photograph of the bed, our bed, and on my side of the bed was human fecal matter. So I understood why it wasn't a good time to go down there. My initial response to that was...
Hello?
For the holidays. Yeah, a lot of people haven't seen him forever.
I don't know, I want to marry you.
I'll catch up with you later, okay? All right, bye.
I mean, I laughed.